Oh no, taxi! It's gotta go, it's gotta go, it's gotta go. I mean, it wasn't really hurting me in any way, but... Oh, fuck this. No. I know where I am. School zone. School zone or no-go zones. Especially if it's like 3 o'clock. Actually, I don't see any students yet, so... It can't be 2:50 yet, because that's when that school closes, and I know because I used to go there. I think I've said too much. Visor, I thought this was pin lock anti-fog. Like, oh, see, it says neutral. See? I should start using my hands more. I'm like, keep your hands on the throttle. Ed, useless. Handle. That's not useless. Talking about the handle, not the clutch. Clutch number 1, baby. I love you. I love you, clutchy. Brake. I want a lane split. Why? See, why am I a motorcycle and at the back of the fucking line? I want to go in the bike lane. I'm a bike, technically. This is the best place to go to blah 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 blah. They cut down the forest? We're killing the planet, one tree at a time. Why are you braking? But I'm a new rider. I thought lane splitting was legal. Oh, almost stalled out there. I could touch this car. Boom! I'm trying to like keep the bike balance as long as possible. Holy shit. How's my gas take happen? Oh yeah, because I've been riding all day. I need a 2-lane road, like fuck this shit. Yo, sup dog. Ba da ba 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 ba. I shouldn't be angling my bike. This is so fucking long. Should I go on the highway? Nah. Not in the mood. I mean, yeah, that's it. I'm not in the mood. I'm not scared. Scared? I ain't scared. I think I'm starting to get the hang of it. Saw a motorcycle stall on this intersection once for like full 30 seconds. Felt so sorry for him. And it was like a 600 bike. Whoopsies. Go, buddy. Go. Go. Oh, bikers are so nice. No right turn on red light. Those signs have been popping up everywhere, along with red light cameras. At least we don't have speed cameras. Those are illegal. On my first highway ride, tomorrow, sneak peek. First highway ride on a 125. Switch lanes, like lane and change indicator. They are like, I gotta move my thumb. Oh my god, I think I'm supposed to turn right there. God damn it! Alright. Just take a right. It's that simple. Yeah, I'm in first. I'll just keep my right turn indicator on because I'm turning right, bitch. Now I'm lost. Where do I go? I'm so lost. Where the hell am I? I was hoping this would loop back to the street I wanted to turn on, but it doesn't. Dun diddly don't. Squirrels! So many squirrels out in fall. Fall and spring is when you see them the most. Alright. Why is it neutral? Thank you. Great. Back to square one. I just fucked up my visor doing that. I hope you're happy. I'm not gonna make this late. That was a clusterfuck at that intersection. I should have stayed, but fuck that shit. I'm not a puppet. I'm a real biker. Don't go, don't go, don't go. Woo! Oh. I think if you're like below certain RPM, you're safe to downshift. Like I think it's 7,000. Let's see, I'm at 65. Oh yeah. Okay, let's not screw around like that, because I just look like a doofus. Na 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 na. To neutral. Go to neutral. Go to neutral. Fuck. Neutral. Screw you. You don't want to go to neutral? I don't want you in neutral. Put the pressure on me, man.
Is one light supposed to be on, I guess?
Yeah, I know. Now watch the high beam.
That's fucked. I thought both lights were supposed to be on.
That's what I thought.
That's
So,
yeah, you know what? It should be on.
yeah, that's what I mean, yeah.
right?
I think it should be on.
I think somebody's
Yeah, that should be on.
And then that's the high beam.
No, it should. They should both
Yeah, your
be
light's
on.
broken, that's what.
What the
We
fuck?
shouldn't have got safety for that.
Actually, no, both lights are on, though.
No, that one's not on.
Both bulbs are on, that's what I
Oh.
mean.
Well, this is the high beam, right? That's the low beam?
No, it should be on because if
like
I'm coming
the
this
high-
way right
The
now,
high beam's both lights.
yes, if I'm driving this way right now, I'll see you.
No, I know it's normal for a sport bike where the one side is only the low beam, but like,
Maybe I would
I
follow
guess
them and
so.
ask. Don't go on the highway with a backpack and all that.
Why?
Yeah, don't go on the QEW or anything with that. Not until you're used to riding.
yeah,
it,
no,
right?
How is the document?
I don't even really notice the backpack.
You probably won't notice it, but it could cause trouble.
Yeah,
like
I feel like the weight-
you gotta be careful.
Need to carry my stuff. I don't have a,
Just practice.
I don't have a
first.
trunk. Oh, another thing.
Oh, wow, spikes.
This seat,
Oh, yeah, this is fun.
this seat just comes off.
That's so messed up.
Oh my
That's so
god!
messed
I just noticed it today.
That's so messed up. Someone's just gonna steal a seat one day.
Oh my god!
Just call the people and be like, listen, this is fucked.
I would definitely find out about this though, because that's not right. There's no way that's right.
So,
Where is it?
it's been a while.
Oh yeah.
It's been a while since that.
Feels good though, eh?
It's the same as.
Oh yeah, like I use my mirrors all the time.
Oh yeah,
and
I
I would
would
have
too.
that up and over a bit because you can't. I got blind spots already.
Oh yeah.
Already, but you're taller and different, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
Bye.
I love it.
I know, it's fantastic.
Oh.
Great little service.
That looks dangerous. Careful.
I will.
That's what I keep telling them.
Every day.
What?
Every day until it snows.
There you go.
Yeah, I was with my coworkers. The guy's getting a bike, and the lady has a Harley. She's a Harley girl. She's got respect for all bikes, so that's cool. So this is my first ever night ride. Woo! Right now, doesn't feel so much more different. Actually, it's a world of difference. I think the guy fucked with my mirrors. I feel invisible. Definitely gotta keep an eye out more. Yeah, it's definitely cooler. It is fall. But I feel fine. I should have put the thing around my face. That feels so much better. It's just my face that's really like semi-uncomfortable. Nighttime bike life. Well, actually, this isn't bad at all. I mean, it is just my first experience. I'm not like tripping out. You just gotta know the drills, you know. Keep your eyes open. Nobody can see you. I'm not gonna make this light. I'm not gonna make this light. I'm not gonna make this light. I made the light. I made the light. Woo! See what happens when you speed? You make the light. I am going highway speeds. That means 50 over. Almost 50 over. I should not be making these kind of confessions. Oh, here we go. Car gonna pull out. No. Thank you. Wow, he saw me. I feel good. I'm in his blind spot. Oh! I took that turn way too wide. I need to go slower. I'm doing obviously something wrong there. I'm not, this thing doesn't turn on a dime, you gotta remember that.